Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see about how many ways to shut down a laptop or a PC. Before you go into the video, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Okay, let's get into the video. Anyone knows, press the Windows button and press the power button and press the shutdown. This is the laziest, not the laziest, this is the slowest ways to shut down a laptop or a PC. Hence, what are all the another methods? There is another method called the universal method, Alt F4. 100% of the PC users know Alt F4 and hit the enter will shut down your PC instantly. Hence, what about the another method? There is another method called SlideToShutDown. Here is this. The SlideToShutDown is a exe files. The exe file is programmed earlier to shut down the PC like this. If you double click the slide down to exe, it will look like this. It will going downwards. If you pull downwards, your laptop will automatically shut down. This is the software to shut down your laptop because we need to do nothing in your laptop. First double click and drag until down. What is another way? The 99% of users doesn't know how the pop-up box opens. Just hit Windows X. If the pop-up box opens, then press the U double times. That's enough to shut down your laptop. Like this. This is a practical. If you press Windows and X, the pop-up box immediately opens. Then you press U double times. It will automatically shut down your PC. Coolest method, right? Yes, it looks like this. Press Windows X and then W. It will shut down easily. Thanks for watching our video. Please like and subscribe.